What's up, guys? Got my Traxxas M41 here, 40-inch boat, and in one of my videos you will see I think it was on the 4th of July. I had fireworks on it. I hit a piece of wood with my prod, and my shaft flex cable came out of the socket. I lucked out. It broke off, but it came out from the motor, all the way from the motor. The whole entire flex cable came out, so I lucked out. So I don't have to take out none of these screws right here. All I need to do is just remove this little, I don't know what to call this, but you remove this and you will see the nuts here. You need two number 10 wrench to loosen up. The nut is already loose. It's already loose. It's already loose, guys. So all I gotta do is I'm gonna show you the part number of the flex cable. This is the flex cable for the Traxxas M41, guys. Right here. This is the part number 5776. That's the part number. This is what you need if you guys got the same boat or any type of boat. Shaft flex cable, guys. And I also got the prod. You will need a prod, part number 5733, if you can see, guys. Right? Then you also need if you lost the whole thing, you will need this part number 5728, this little piece here. Then you will need the nut for it. The nuts, they don't sell you one, they sell you the whole pack for $2, guys. Part number 1747. That's what you need. So let's get this started. All right. There you go. Put that to a side. This already come with grease, guys. You would need a pair of gloves. Putting on my gloves, guys. Alright, guys. So you need to take this off out of here. You need to cut it. Let's see. Cutting it off, guys. Let me slice it right here, guys. plastic is pretty tough. Guys, the plastic is hard to come off. Wow. Let's see if I can pull it out. That comes right off. It already comes greased up, guys. All you gotta do is push it in through here. It goes right in. Let me get a piece of tissue, guys. Hold on. You see, guys, how it goes in? It goes right in. Once again, I lucked out, guys. Why I say that? Because okay, it got to a point. Right? It's already in there, guys. Let me pull it out. Let me pull it out just to make sure that it went in. Yeah, it went in. Yeah. All right, guys. That's all the way in. So now it's already in there. So all you got to do is 2 wrenches, and you got to make sure, guys, that this nut right here is tight, really nice and tight, because you don't want this baby to come off again. So you need 2 10s, and all you got to do is tighten it up, guys. Gotta make sure it's nice and tight. So you don't want this flex cable to come out on you. And once again, guys, when you go out there, if you have boats, make sure you always bring your wrenches. Because to be honest with you, you always gotta check if this here is tight. It has to be nice and snug. Nice and tight, guys. Not too tight, but tight. You don't want to go through this again. It could come off. Alright, that's nice and tight. That looks tight. Clean it off a little bit. Got grease. Nice. that already came with grease. But when you buy this type of boat, it comes with marine grease. But the shaft already, it had grease on it. It comes in here. It's packed with grease, so I didn't need to put no grease on it, guys. So this flex cable basically is already in there. So all I gotta do now is just open this baby up. And I'm gonna put this baby in here. This is where your prop goes, in here, guys. So you gotta make sure you get the got an island that'll fit here. Yep. Let me get an island. Fits here. That one doesn't fit. Too big. That one fits. Alright, on here, guys, I already come with a little bit of thread lock. You see it? But to make sure, I will put a little bit more. Just a little bit. You don't need much. That's it. And let's tighten this baby up. You have to find the groove. It's right there. You want this baby nice and tight. You want this baby coming out. There you have it. You will put the prop I got a plastic prop, guys, so prop is in there. Now all you need is a nut. In here. Let's put the nut in there. Alright, guys, it's all done. I don't think this baby will come out. We will put this back in there and we all done, guys. Finito. To put this back in there, you squeeze a little bit. Squeeze a tiny little bit before you go in. got grease in my gloves, guys, so excuse me. Alright, there you go. It's already in there, guys. You see? There you have it. My M41 is back in business. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.